Hi guys, welcome to this another new unboxing. Today we have here Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. This is their top of the line uh, set of earbuds, and here are some of the specification. One thing to clearly see here is that they are claiming that it cuts external background noise by up to 99%. Not sure how would that be true. I saw some other reviews around the same buds, and I see that they don't also agree to the same fact. And so around the major specification, they say it has two-way speakers for each sound, it has active noise cancelling, and 5 to 18 hours of playtime, and it has a IPX7 rating. So this is how the box looks from front, but clearly the Buds Plus, that box was much more nicer. This is how it looks from this side. Back you already saw. On this side you see this branding for Galaxy Buds Pro. Top we have just this seal to be opened, and below we have all these other details, and here we have the price. It says here 17,990, but you can always get it cheaper from Amazon, on Samsung shop, and you can also get this by buying Galaxy S21 Ultra. That's how I got it. So it was as part of the offer. So let's just open. Okay, so looks like we have something here. Okay, we have this kind of a manual booklet. Let's open this. So this is a thick warranty card booklet. It says warranty card, it's a booklet though, and it's quite thick. And then we have quick start guide, which generally we don't need. So let's put all this aside, put this also aside, and see what we have here. These two items here. This must be our main device. Oh, this is quite nice. It's quite compact, quite small, much smaller than Buds Plus, and the light is already on. Looks smaller than Buds Pro, but much more similar to Buds Live, the bean looking buds that they produce. So keeping that aside, what else we have here? This box. This box has just the cable. No, we have something else also underneath. So this must be the ear tips box. Yes, there are two more pairs of different attachments. This is how it looks, and that's it. So this is it. This is the unboxing for Galaxy Buds Pro. We'll try how it functions, how better it is from others. We can test it against AirPods Pro, and so that would be covered in a different video. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching.